हम जनाय सुखम कुरु फट स्वाहा.
Namaste and welcome to the full moon Hanuman Jayanti energetic session of love and light and clearing and healing. And we begin, beloveds, by taking in 3 deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling deeply out of your mouth, making a sound, sighing. Allow your body to relax with each breath.
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanai Sukham Kuru Fat Swaha. Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanai Sukham Kuru Fat Swaha. Om Ham.
But this is going to have to become lower because we are going to have to begin, as always, with our beloved Ganesh Ji. So calling him now, asking him to please come and clear all blocks, all obstacles, all hindrances on the path of each and every one of us here, that is on the call, that is on our group, for Mother Earth, Bhudevi, and every being in kingdom upon her. And please do this for our ancestors, 11 generations on our mother's side, 11 generations on our father's side. That all the people that are going to listen in also, please include them, basically including the entire planet, of course. And so let us begin by chanting his mantra. Just feel his beautiful elephant angels, Gaj angels. They have spread out all over the planet, in, through, and around each one of us, the space we're in individually, and the space we are in as a group as well. Clearing, clearing, clearing. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Shubham Karyeshu Sarvada. Okay. So we're going to say a prayer for all of our masters, all of our gurus, all those that have been our masters, that are our masters, from the beginning of time to here, now and forever. We have a prayer for that in India. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Gratitude, gratitude. Asking for blessings from all of them today. As we embark on this journey, asking them to come and bless each and every one of us here and upon the planet. And beloveds, continuing to breathe deeply, easily. See, sense, feel, or imagine yourself on the summit of a beautiful mountain. The air around you is crisp and fresh. There is even some snow on the mountain tops around. And as you sit peacefully, you see the early morning sun casting a glow on the horizon. And in front of you now, the form of Lord Hanuman appears, grand and awe-inspiring, stands tall, his body strong, muscular, covered in radiant white fur. His face is calm and his eyes are full of compassion and wisdom. And see him now expanding in size, growing larger than the mountain upon which you are sitting. Feel his energies coming towards you. Just open your heart and feel that beautiful warmth entering. A bright orangey red light that is so vibrant, so full of energy and vitality and dynamism. Just feel it encircling you and enfolding you.
भय भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भय भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भय भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भय भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भय भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं
Feel the
हनुमते भय
immense
भञ्जनाय
strength
सुखं
that
कुरु
Hanumanji
फट् स्वाहा
embodies. And this
ॐ
strength
हं
is not
हनुमते
just
भय
physical,
भञ्जनाय सुखं
It also represents inner strength and the power to protect us from all adversities. So just see, sense, feel, or imagine this strength enveloping you, shielding you from all fears and doubts. Even the mantra that we are listening to is a mantra for removing all kinds of fears. And even as your energies are moving through us, Hanumanji, we are requesting you to please take over our minds, our critical mind that jumps from place to place like a monkey, going after and engaging itself in innumerable activities, disturbing us. And the mind, like Hanumanji, can also travel where it wants to. It can fly across the continents and the entire planet. It travels with the speed of thought and can reach anyone or anything mentally. And it can also expand or contract itself at will. Again, like Hanumanji. So as long as it remains under the control of pure animal passions and activities of the senses, it remains unstable and mischievous. And so requesting Hanumanji to bless each one of us so that we can surrender our minds to the inner self and become devoted to the divine within, completely, unconditionally, so that we too can assume miraculous powers and perform stupendous feats like you, working for the divine cause, helping our lower selves and the soul to come together and become united by killing all the evil thoughts with its determination, laying a firm foundation for the kingdom of God, Goddess, the golden age, 5D plus, to become established in the body. So bless us, bless us, bless us by removing all ignorance. And I'm asking you now to please bring to your mind that one particular issue in your life that has been bothering you the most, that is uppermost in your life right now. And as the light of Hanumanji himself and through the chant is coming in and piercing through all the obstacles that are standing in the way of your achieving that one elusive element in your life, whether it's money, whether it's career, whether it's health, whether it's love, whether it's relationships, no matter what it is, just open and receive these beautiful warm energies that are coming in now, entering into your root chakra, and see the light now moving through your root chakra anti-clockwise, dissolving with its spin, with its warmth, everything that does not serve, that does not belong, traveling up now into your sacral chakra. And all through the chakras, beloveds, remember that it's going to continue to move anti-clockwise. Feel the resonance of the mantra moving in your chakra anti-clockwise along with the frequencies of Hanumanji, which are doubled because they're also in the mantra and they're also coming from him. Coming into your navel now. Coming into your sacral, coming into your navel. And then coming into your solar plexus. Coming into the heart. Coming into the throat. Making its way into your third eye. Entering your crown. Flowing into your aura. Clearing, clearing, clearing. Every cell of your physical body, your mental body, your emotional body, your spiritual body, and now the light and the language of light. That is the mantra. Both going into your entire timeline, clearing obstacles. Just continue to breathe, beloveds, as this is happening. A lot of support coming in from Mother Earth as we go through this process of clearing. And now slowly the energies have begun to slow down. Coming to a stop. And now they begin again. And this time, you are going to feel the energies of integration and of balance as the energies now start moving in a clockwise direction, bringing in balance now, coming into your root chakra, moving clockwise, balancing the root chakra. You may even feel your belly involuntarily going in, when it starts getting balanced. It just pulls out bloatedness, everything that is discomforting there. It's gone and balance is coming in, coming into your sacral now, clockwise, balancing out your sacral. Coming into your navel chakra, balancing out the navel. Moving up into your solar plexus. Balancing your solar plexus. Moving into your heart. Balancing out your heart. And remember that scene, many of you, those are from India at least, will remember how Hanumanji wants to prove his loyalty to Lord Ram when they asked him, what proof is there that he is in every breath, he is in every aspect of you? He just tore and opened his chest, and in his heart there was Lord Ram and Mother Sita. And so that balance coming into you, the balance of the divine masculine and feminine within your heart. The energies moving into your throat. Moving up into your third eye. Balancing, balancing, balancing. Coming into the crown. Going into your aura. Going into your physical body, every cell getting balanced. Mental body, emotional body. Spiritual body. Balancing, balancing, balancing. Energy is going into your timeline. Just continue to breathe, beloved. Bringing in your higher self more into your body, silencing the ego, the mind, regaining control, controlling the animal within us, animal urges, animal instincts. And from this place of stillness, of quiet, of balance, look into yourself now. Look into those places and spaces in your physicality where perhaps you were in some form of distress before we started. See how those spaces are feeling now with the pure frequencies of the mantra, with the pure oxygenation of your breath, with the frequencies of divinity. Feel the energy within you. It has energized, powerized, literally, all of your being. And yet I am asking for you to feel energetic and yet not that energetic for the ones that need to be going to sleep later after this. But that this stays with us and it stays with the ones who will continue to be awake, but energized in the right way, so that when you need to be awake and when you need to get on with your day, you will have this power, this strength, this vitality to see you through your day. And now Hanumanji wants to show us something. And so look at him, and he's saying, look at me, and see how his face and his persona are lighting up with devotion as he is thinking of Lord Ram. He is never not thinking of Lord Ram, but he wants us to understand something. So he wants us to look upon him and he says, look at me. I am thinking of Lord Ram right now. And I want you to see how I get completely lit up. And this light that is coming from him, this is representative of unconditional devotion, unconditional love and service. So he wants you to reflect on how you can incorporate selfless service and devotion in your own life, enhancing your relationships and commitments.
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai
How much
Bhanjanaya Sukham
can you give of yourself? How committed can you be? How devoted can you be to your own cause?
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha. Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru.
And there's a story of how Hanumanji leaped across the ocean to reach Lanka, what is known as Sri Lanka today, from India. And this leap signifies not just courage, but unwavering dedication. So envision yourself possessing such bravery and commitment towards your goals, no matter how challenging they may seem at times. And feel his energies giving you that. Filling you with even more strength, more determination, more dedication.
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha. Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru.
And now, despite his great powers, Lord Hanuman is also known for his humility. So see him bowing gracefully before Lord Ram, folding his hands and bowing his head before Lord Ram. And this gesture teaches us the importance of being humble and wise in our decisions. And as you meditate on these qualities of Hanumanji, just see, sense, feel, or imagine this extremely radiant white light emanating now from Hanumanji, literally from every pore of his being, from every hair of his fur, which is pure radiant white, snow white, encompassing you with its energy. Feel a absolutely divine, blissful feeling that is just lifting up your spirit and completely purifying your mind. Just open and receive this.
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha. Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha. Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha. Om Ham
Orange and the white frequencies like ribbons moving through your being.
Om Ham Hanumate Bhai Bhanjanaya Sukham Guru Tat Swaha.
And while you're in this beautiful space right now of receiving, let's send these frequencies of Hanumanji out into your home. Even if you are not home right now, you're sending it into your home, into the space that you are in. Spreading it out wherever you are.
ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय
Everybody is
सुखं
spreading
कुरु
it
फट्
into their
स्वाहा
neighborhood, into their
ॐ हं
city.
हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते
Into their country.
भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा
So Arundhati doing it, spreading it in London, UK,
फट् स्वाहा
Gabriella and Greg in Rome, Italy,
ॐ हं
Stephanie
हनुमते
in
भयभञ्जनाय
Trinidad,
कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते
Linda in New York,
भयभञ्जनाय
Canada,
फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते
Geeta in the US.
भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट्
Just
स्वाहा
light, 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 send this light out.
ॐ हं हनुमते
And let this light
भयभञ्जनाय सुखं
join
फट् स्वाहा
heart to
ॐ
heart.
हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा
And one
ॐ
country
हं
to
हनुमते
another. Just as
भयभञ्जनाय
our human hearts are
फट्
connecting with
स्वाहा
one another. See the entire planet lit up, all hearts lit up, all hearts connected. And similarly, Mother Earth everywhere connected. And Lord Hanumanji now becoming even bigger and blessing all of humanity and Mother Earth. And so just seeing such beautiful light now coming out very majorly through his eyes and his heart.
ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय
Seeing everything right now to not burst into tears.
ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं फट् स्वाहा
So beautiful.
ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा
Pure loving kindness, pure compassion, pure love coming out from the eyes, from the heart, and just enveloping all of Mother Earth. Just flowing from him into the earth, into each and every one of us, rejuvenating the land, the sea, all forms of life, within the oceans, within the waters, upon the land, upon the trees, the ones that fly, just everyone and everything. Just feel the energy spreading, touching every soul. This blessing is touching every soul, whether they know it or they don't know it. It's healing wounds and creating a spirit of unity and compassion among all beings. See the energy spreading peace, spreading health and harmony across the globe. Just let this vision of harmony and love fill your heart.
भञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय
The
सुखं
light of
कुरु फट्
utter
स्वाहा
devotion
ॐ हं हनुमते
and surrender to the divine,
भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा
so that we are always in the state of let thy will be done here on earth as it is in heaven through me. And as our hearts are joined together, we are also energetically joining hands with our brothers and sisters all over the planet, forming chains of love.
ॐ हं हनुमते भयभञ्जनाय सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा 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 ॐ हं
And even as this beautiful light
सुखं कुरु फट् स्वाहा
is like a soothing balm on each and every one of us, our souls, our psyches, our physical forms, all of our beingness. Lord Hanumanji is now making himself smaller and smaller and smaller till he stands before us like he did when we started out. And take the opportunity to bow your heads in front of him. Thank him for the blessings of today that were given to us and to the entire planet. The blessings and all of his divine qualities that he
Om Ham
has so
Hanmate
generously shared with us.
Bhajanaya Sukham Kuru Kat Swaha. Om Ham Hanmate Bhajanaya Sukham Kat Swaha.
I take this opportunity to give gratitude and thanks to Lord Ganesha. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. His angels, Hanumanji, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude to the Moon Mother, who's ever present. She is Source Mother herself. Deep gratitude to her, deep gratitude to Mother Earth again. So also Source Mother. Deep gratitude to all of you, all your masters, angels, and teams of light that came forth, all the gurus that came forth. Deep gratitude to all. Deep gratitude to all of our ancestors and all of our brothers and sisters in the light across the planet, every being and kingdom. And may this sense of peace and power at the same time stay with you. Know that you are divinely protected at all times. And whenever you feel a sense of completion, place both hands upon your face, knowing the energies seep into your face. Then place your hands upon your heart, allowing your heart that is already full to overflow. Then whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes.